My name is Mohammad Asif Javed, and I find this track really full as I just find this one in the social media, and I'm really happy to see that they're a very friendly environment and they have given the mock test free of cost. And that's a really good thing that every week they're conducting the mock test. I'm really happy to find it out, and I've just done this mock test with my wife, and I really wish them all the success and also bless them that they have just done some marvelous work in doing this thing, and also happy to join them and to do my training from this track. And I will also prefer all of you you must join this company, and you should come and access yourself for giving the mock test free of this free mock test. This is really helpful for you, all of you people. It's really good. So you should go to the social media, Facebook, and you should like them, and should also share with your friends and families and ask them to please come and join this track company. They're really good. Thank you very much.